Investing in rental properties can be lucrative. However, choosing the right tenants is crucial for maximizing returns and minimizing risks. Effective tenant screening helps landlords avoid potential problems. These can include late rent payments, property damage, and evictions. A comprehensive screening process goes beyond basic checks. It involves careful examination of an applicant's financial history, background, and rental history. This allows landlords to make informed decisions. A thorough screening process saves landlords time and money in the long run. It reduces the likelihood of problematic tenancies. It also minimizes legal disputes and costly turnovers. By implementing a robust screening system, landlords can increase their chances of finding reliable, responsible tenants. This contributes to a successful and profitable rental property business. Gathering complete and accurate information is the foundation of a successful tenant screening process. Start by requiring a rental application that captures essential details. These include employment history, income, credit history, and rental references. When evaluating an applicant's financial stability, request recent pay stubs. Bank statements can also be helpful. These documents verify income and provide insights into their financial habits. Look for consistent income that meets or exceeds the required rent-to-income ratio. Next, obtain a credit report from a reputable credit bureau. The report will reveal the applicant's credit score. It will also show their payment history and outstanding debts. Carefully analyze the credit report for red flags. These include late payments, collections, or a high debt-to-income ratio. Verification is key. Contact employers to confirm employment history and income. Reach out to previous landlords to inquire about their rental history. Verify the information provided by the applicant to ensure accuracy and completeness. A thorough investigation into an applicant's rental history is essential. Contacting previous landlords helps you understand their past behavior as tenants. Request references and contact information from previous landlords listed on the application. Prepare a list of questions to ask previous landlords. These can include: did the tenant pay rent on time? Did they take care of the property? Were there any noise complaints or issues with neighbors? Were they compliant with the lease agreement? Document all responses from previous landlords. If an applicant has a history of late rent payments, property damage, or evictions, it's a significant red flag. Consider these factors carefully before proceeding with the application. In addition to rental history, request personal references. Personal references can provide insights into an applicant's character. They can speak to their reliability and responsibility. Contact these references and inquire about their relationship with the applicant. After gathering and evaluating all necessary information, it's time to make an informed decision. Consider the applicant's financial stability, creditworthiness, rental history, and overall risk profile. Establish clear criteria. This will help you objectively assess applicants. If an applicant meets all your criteria and shows no red flags, you can approve their application. However, if an applicant has some minor issues, such as a low credit score but a positive rental history, consider a conditional approval. This might involve requesting a higher security deposit or a cosigner. If an applicant raises significant concerns during the screening process, such as a history of evictions or inconsistent income, it's best to deny their application. Clearly communicate your decision to the applicant in writing. Provide a brief explanation for the denial. Remember to comply with all fair housing laws. Avoid discriminatory practices based on race, religion, national origin, familial status, disability, or other protected characteristics. Treat all applicants fairly and consistently throughout the screening process.